This video demonstrates how to convert sentences from active to passive voice across all tenses. Let's go through examples of how sentences change from active to passive voice in different tenses, one by one. Considering simple present tense. Anna does her homework. The homework is done by Anna. Considering present continuous tense. Anna is doing her homework. The homework is being done by Anna. Considering present perfect tense. Anna has done her homework. The homework has been done by Anna. Remember, when changing a sentence from active to passive voice, the main verb is changed and an auxiliary verb is added. Let's find out for simple present tense. Does the grocer sell sugar? Is an active voice. Is the sugar sold by the grocer? Is a passive voice. In order to change the sentence from active to passive voice, the auxiliary verb is added and sell is replaced with sold. Present continuous tense. Is the farmer plowing the field? Is an active voice. Is the field being plowed by the farmer? Is a passive voice. Here, auxiliary verb being is added and plowing is replaced by plowed. For the present perfect tense. Has Ben written this letter? Is an active voice. Has this letter been written by Ben? Is a passive voice. Here, the auxiliary verb been is added. Since the main verb written is already in the past tense, it remains unchanged. Let's see how the sentences changes for past tense, simple past. The dog chased the cat. Is an active voice. The cat was chased by the dog. Is a passive voice. Here, was is added as an auxiliary verb and chased remains the same as it is in the past tense. Past continuous tense. The butterflies were fluttering across the garden. Is an active voice and the garden was being fluttered by the butterflies is a passive voice. Here, was being are the auxiliary verbs being used and fluttering is replaced by fluttered. Past perfect tense. The boys had eaten all the cake. Is an active voice. All the cake had been eaten by the boys. Is a passive voice. Here, been is an auxiliary verb added and eaten remains the same as it is already in the past tense. Now, let's see how the sentence changes for the future tense. Shall we help her? Is an active voice. Will she be helped by us? Is a passive voice. Here, will is added as an auxiliary verb and help is replaced by help. Future perfect tense. We shall have cleaned the house by this weekend. Is an active voice. This whole house will have been cleaned by us this weekend. Is a passive voice. Here, have been is used as an auxiliary verb and cleaned remains same as it is already in the past tense. Today's quote of the day. Don't quit. Every step you take is a step closer to your dreams.